Questions to ask your girlfriend. Getting to know the person you're dating is vitally important. This video will provide you with some questions to ask your girlfriend in order to get to know her better. You will never get to know your girlfriend if you don't ask her questions. As you ask her questions, remember that these questions should be focused on her. Don't ask questions like, "What is your favorite feature about me?" Or, "Don't you think my new pants are cool?" Or, "Want to hear about my problems?" These questions focus on you. They're very narcissistic and will very quickly lead to your girlfriend becoming bored with your tedious conversation about yourself. Instead, here are some questions to ask your girlfriend that will help you to get to know her better. The plain truth is that people like to talk about themselves. Ironically, the more you can get her to talk about herself, the more she'll find you to be an interesting conversationalist. Evaluate the questions below before you ask them. Some of them are more appropriate for early on in a relationship. Others are more appropriate as your relationship progresses. And now to the questions. 1. Are you happy with your life right now? This question will tell you a lot about where your girlfriend is at in her life. It might also give you some insight into how she feels about your relationship. 2. When are you most happy with us? This question forces her to think of positives about the relationship, especially if you are going through a rocky time. As you ask the question, make sure that you have thought of an answer yourself, because she is sure to turn the question back on you. Her answer to this question will also give you some ideas about what you can focus on that will make the relationship even stronger. 3. What are you most passionate about? This is a great question for any time in a relationship, as our passions can change. You might find that your passions are so divergent that you can't find common ground. On the other hand, you may find that you are passionate about the same things. If you find this to be the case, you could potentially find yourself in a very satisfying relationship. 4. What makes you most happy in your life? If you are serious about a continued relationship with your girlfriend, pay close attention to the answer to this question. Find out what makes her happiest and then help her experience those things. This is sound advice for any kind of relationship. 5. What are your 3 favorite activities? If you want specifics about the activities she most likes to participate in, this is a fantastic question. Again, pay attention. When you get a chance, write down her answer to the question in some place where you'll be able to reference it in the future. Work these activities into your plans often. Be sure to look for variations as well. 6. How can I help? If you notice your girlfriend is troubled by something, ask this question. Hopefully, this question will elicit an answer will allow you to help her. If she responds by saying nothing, then you should follow up with, "Is there anything you would like to talk about?" These questions are just questions to get your mind rolling. There are literally thousands of worthwhile questions to ask your girlfriend. Lots of questions will come naturally in the course of a conversation. Go with the flow. These questions to ask your girlfriend will help you strengthen your relationship. Maintaining a strong relationship is tough. But stop complaining about how tough it is. If you're really serious about your girlfriend, check out Make Small Talk Sexy. It's full of advice you can use right now. You'll have your girlfriend feeling like the queen of your world. But you need to know the secrets to strengthen your relationship. Introducing Make Small Talk Sexy. How to smoothly escalate your conversations and make small talk sexy. Creating conversations that flow from beginning to end. Create attraction, rapport, and sexual tension without ever having to worry about what to say next, your mind going blank, or awkwardly stalling out. For more information, click the link in the description below today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel.